Hi my loves, today we are doing a full beginner friendly soft glam step by step, no rushing, no gatekeeping. Let's start with skin prep. Here are the products I use to prep and moisturize before primer: simple toner, wonder toner, Jumiso essence, simple moisturizer, and if you are going out during the day, please don't forget your sunscreen. It is very important. Then I am going with primer. I will be using Essence Jelly Grip Primer and Sheglam Poreless Primer. These steps help smooth out the skin and makes our makeup last longer. If you are oily, focus on your T-zone. If you are dry, use something hydrating and press it into your skin instead of rubbing. Give it a few seconds to settle before moving to foundation. Now foundation. Beginners usually use too much. Always start with a small amount and blend it out evenly. And please don't forget your neck. We don't want two different colors. If you need more coverage, build slowly. It's easier to add than to remove. Moving on to bronzer, I am using the Michelle Curve case. This brings warmth and structure back to the face because foundation can make everything look flat. I am placing it under my cheekbones, on the forehead, and along my jawline. Blend upward, not downward. Upward blending lifts the face, okay? Next is cream blush from the same palette. This is what makes the face look alive. Apply it slightly above your bronzer and blend upward toward the temples. If you place it too low, it drags the face down. Take your time blending. Honestly, cream products need patience. Now concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo concealer. I am using it under my eyes, center of the forehead, bridge of the nose and chin. Don't apply too much under the eyes. A little goes a long way, especially for beginners. Before blending, I like to spray a little setting spray for the face. This helps everything melt beautifully. Now we blend. You can use a damp beauty sponge or brush and gently tap, don't swipe. Focus on blending the edges so it melts into the bronzer and blush seamlessly. Moving on to setting powders, I am pressing a brightening powder under my eyes and on the areas where I highlighted, and my skin tone powder to the rest of the face. Light layers. Heavy powder is what causes cakiness. Another mix of setting spray to lock everything in. For the eyes, I am using a slightly brown eyeshadow to the outer corner of the lid and a soft nude shadow to the inner corner. This keeps it beginner friendly. I am using the same brown eyeshadow to contour my nose and a powder brush to blend it in. We don't want to see any harsh lines. Moving on to the brows. Shape your brows the way you want them. I have a tutorial on my page. You can check it out. Line your lash and waterline. Don't forget to smoke your waterline with a brown eyeshadow for an expressive look. Spot the difference? Yeah. Mascara to open up the eyes. Don't forget the bottom lashes as well. Now for the lip combo, my favorite part. Line your lips slightly over the natural line if you want fullness. Blend the liner inward so there is no harsh line. Apply your nude lipstick and finish with gloss if you want that soft glam glow. Now highlighter. Apply it to cheekbones, tip of the nose, bridge of the nose. Light and okay, we want glow, not glitter overload. So this is the look without lashes and this is the look with lashes. This is a beginner friendly soft glam that anyone can do with practice. If you have been scared to try makeup on yourself, let this be your sign. The more you practice, the better you get. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me which step you struggle with the most. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.